numbers, there are disparities, as you would evidently see on the streets. What we are doing here is basically trying to give the child his childhood. This whole building is studying. Today we have 120 children going to school. It is having fun. It is sleeping safely, to rest, to get some counseling, to save money if they are working. So basically this shelter is a family. It's not a beggar's home, it's not a poor home, but it's a home of opportunities. And that is what Shelter Don Bosco is about. Educating the child to be a future citizen that is contributive to society.
My name is Sapna and I am the coordinator of this residential home called Shelter Don Bosco, as he is famous for working with youth. Began his oratories in the year 1838, where they were taught, they were given education and learned values of life. The same concept has been spread over by the Bosco fathers in different countries like Africa, India, Uganda and all of other places. The same work has been carried on in India, in the city of Mumbai, popularly known as City of Dreams. And in here, we started our work in October 1987, where we began with talking to children who've been on the streets, who have run away from their homes because of different reasons like poverty, like never got an opportunity to study further, and many a times they landed up into wrong hands, becoming bootleggers, drug peddlers, and at the end of the day, getting killed amidst all of this. Our work began with two fathers, one Father Rafael Lobo and the other one Bosco Pereira, who went on the streets, spoke to these children, gave them a homely atmosphere, brought them to this house which is known as the open house, where boys could walk in anytime and move out anytime. After which the boys themselves wanted a stable life. Though they had problems back at their homes, never wanted to go back. So they wanted fathers to take care of them, take care of their needs like education, food, their savings. So the fathers here slowly started talking to them, building up their needs. They sent them to different schools. So from a population of 5 children who went to school in the year 1992, it has increased to about 110 boys who go to school. Over the last 21 years, we have found that numerous boys have been on the streets. The reason why, because the boys who never got an opportunity had the courage and could run out from their homes without telling their parents. But they have completed their education like 10th and 12th, enrolled in colleges now, finishing up their college education, gainfully employed in different companies like ICICI Bank, in different hospitality sectors like big hotels. They're doing quite well. And after 21 years of our experience of having this open house, this residential facility which runs for children on the streets and off the streets, we have found that our work from giving a safer street to these children has progressed into preventive work, where we have given teachers who not only educate them but also empower the women in the households to take care of their children. And these children are prevented from coming on the streets. We also have a drop-in center which acts as an open house for children who can walk in and move out anytime.